So look at these three figures, don't draw the details, draw the movement of the figures. And it's that I've used a centre line in this case because the centre line is very helpful. It goes through the base of the neck, and just draw very simple geometric shapes. Notice how that follow through line there just lines up with her shoulder. That's how you test the ability to draw, by looking at the big picture, as it were. So we start with the centre line. It really helps to give balance to the figure, and it helps to see just how the gesture is of the figure is how is it working, as it were. So with gesture we get the line of action, we get the way the figure moves, as it were. And we can gradually start to introduce a bit of detail. I'm not trying to make a finished drawing, I'm trying to show you gesture and how to use that gesture with the centre line. So here's the second figure, and we've got a more back view. The centre line's going through her right leg, or just to the inside part of the right leg, and she's stretching up. So if you can draw your figures stretching and bending and in all sorts of positions, you're well on the way to creating a natural look. I'll add a little bit more detail, trying to add detail, but not too much. This isn't about a detailed drawing, this is about gesture. The gesture, the line of action, the movement of the figure. We aim for those things as artists. Now I'm suggesting some of the setting, not going into any great detail, but it just helps us to, if we can see the context within which the figures are operating, it makes it more believable. And we can also see just how much exaggeration there is in the figure. So after you've got the basics down, try to give a little suggestion of setting. It gives a context to the figure as well. Now here we've got the third figure. It's more a straight-on presentation, and the centre line goes from the base of her neck straight through to her, going into her left leg actually. So it once again it shows you the balance of the figure. She's walking towards us, so it'll be a pretty evenly balanced figure, unlike the two above, which are moving in a different way. So the centre line it's off centre, as it were. So the centre line is very helpful for balance, for gesture, for movement, and for believability. It just makes the drawing easy to understand, and if it's easy to understand, it's easier to draw. So we're going into a little bit more detail now, not too much, but just enough to make it a bit realistic. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I would ask you to, if you like this video, would you should maybe check out my channel. It's Michael Coxon Tokyo Art School, and it's things Japanese, but it's how to draw basically and paint. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully. Notice that garbage truck is just suggested there, but it's believable. That's why we have the context.